Hello, in our self-paced course offerings, you'll have access to over 5 hours of video content, along with a set of learning resources, including exercises in Python, R, SAS, and Excel, presentations, study books and mind maps, access to our AI assistants to answer your course-related questions, and our latest innovation, AI agents. We're excited to introduce you the credit scoring AI agent. Introduction. Imagine having a complete data science team that works 24/7, never sleeps, and consistently delivers better results than human experts. What if I told you this isn't science fiction? This is exactly what we've built with our autonomous AI credit scoring agent. But what if we could automate this entire process? Here's how it works in 5 intelligent steps. First, it performs deep data analysis, understanding patterns, detecting anomalies, and preparing comprehensive reports automatically. Second, it engineers smart features using advanced techniques like weight of evidence transformation. Third, it doesn't just try one approach, it intelligently tests multiple machine learning models, from traditional logistic regression to quantum advanced deep learning networks. Fourth, it rigorously validates everything cross-validation, performance metrics, and generating visualizations to explain the results. Finally, it makes the deployment decision and telling us whether to launch, recalibrate, or rebuild with clear business recommendations and send us a message by Telegram or WhatsApp. What is an AI agent? Well, an AI agent is a software system that uses artificial intelligence to perceive its environment, make decisions, and take actions to achieve goals with minimal human intervention. What makes it a credit scoring AI agent? Autonomous decision-making, multi-step reasoning pipeline. The agent doesn't just run one model. It analyzes data, engineers features, trains multiple models, validates, makes deployment decision, self-monitoring and adaptation, goal-oriented behavior. The agent has a clear objective by build the best possible credit scoring model and autonomously works towards it through multiple strategies. Why this is more advanced than typical ML? Traditional machine learning has the next steps: pipeline, data, pre-processing, single model, prediction. An AI agent has the following steps: data, analyze, engineer features, try multiple models, validate, compare, decide deployment, communicate results. Real-world agent analogy: think of it like hiring a data scientist team. EDA module equals data analyst, understands the data. Feature engineering equals feature engineer, creates smart features. Modeling module equals multiple machine learning engineers, each trying different approaches. Validation module equals QA engineer, tests everything. Calibration module equals project manager, makes go, no-go decision. Telegram notifier equals team reporter, keeps stakeholders updated. The AI agent credit scoring generates an EDA dashboard which allows users to analyze each variable, identify correlations, and receive alerts for missing values. The dashboard provides a comprehensive view of the information value test for each variable, the ROC curve, the box plot of the cross-validation test, and the cross-validation of the Breyer score. Your AI agent in action. Imagine this running in a bank. 8 o'clock a.m., agent starts daily batch processing. 8:15 a.m., analyzes 50,000 new credit applications. 9:30 a.m., trains updated models on latest data. 10 o'clock a.m., validates all models meet compliance standards. 10:30 a.m., generates reports for risk team. 11 o'clock a.m., deploys improved model to production. 11:05 a.m., notifies stakeholders. New model deployed, AUC improved to 89. The AI agent provides the functionality to define parameters for processes, select the target variable and customer ID, specify the sample size, establish cross-validation folds, determine the number of bins, configure the sending of alerts via WhatsApp, and designate the phone number to receive messages. Business applications, banking and finance, automated loan underwriting, credit limit optimization, fraud detection systems, customer risk segmentation insurance, premium calculation, claims, risk prediction, customer lifetime value, e-commerce, buy now pay, later risk scoring, subscription fraud detection, customer credit limits, The future is autonomous AI. What you've built is exactly the direction industry is moving toward. Self-managing machine learning systems that self-monitor performance, self-improve with new data, self-deploy when ready, self-explain decisions, self-report to humans. You're not just building credit models. You're building the future of automated decision intelligence.